In order to load the labels into the SATO printer, open the cover. There's no need to power off the device. This process can be done while the printer is on. Find the two tabs on either side of the printer, one on the left, one on the right. Push both tabs forward to unlock and open the label carriage. Blinking lights indicate that no label is currently loaded. Once a label is properly inserted, these lights will turn green. Open up the cover and inside the printer, locate the label carriage. This is where the labels sit, positioned between two white tabs. The small green tab will move the carriage and can be opened or closed. Open it wide enough to fit the label roll, then release. It will snap into place. A larger green tab at the front is the label sensor. Do not adjust this. It automatically detects the label's edge. Ensure the label roll is wound tightly and feeds from the top, not the bottom. Press the small green tab and position the label between the two white rollers. It should sit securely but not too tight. Let the label hang slightly, then feed the leading edge through the two front tabs. These tabs are located in the front on both the left and right side. Press down gently until it slides into both the left and right tabs. This helps align the label correctly. With the label installed, close the clamshell. The printer will attempt to detect the label's edge. If the lights remain orange, press the feed button. Once the label is detected, the lights will turn green, indicating successful installation. No further action is needed. The printer is ready to go.